Now let's go back to the classes folder and open the Catalogue.php class. There are a few amendments we're going to be doing to this class and adding a few extra methods. First of all, we're going to remove this path from the path property, and we're going to assign null by default. After this, we're going to create a constructor. So if I scroll up a little bit, then we go public function construct, and we go for parent underscore construct, and then this underscore path equals ds media.ds.catalog.ds. Why are we doing this way? To make it more flexible for ourselves, obviously, because we have this directory separator constant defined anyway, so why not to use it here? If we suddenly decide to host this application on Windows, we would have to redo all these paths. And this way, because obviously directory separator automatically figures out whether it's back or /, obviously depending on the system, this way it's automatically ready for any kind of platform. So that's obviously gonna work a little bit better. Now after the constructor, let's create a few new methods. So if we scroll down and right before this get categories, we're going to create a new method called public function get category by identity, and we pass the identity as the parameter, by default null again, if isn't empty, and now I'm just going to copy this identity here. So if it isn't empty, what we do, SQL statement select all from this table, so underscore table, where identity equals, then single quote, this db escape, and we go for our identity, then concatenating double quote, single quote in between, semicolon, then return, actually we can put this return a little bit closer, return this db fetch 1 and a SQL as parameter. So that's our one of the methods we're going to create. Another method, I'm just going to copy this one because the other one is very similar to this one. And after this one, a few new lines. Get, this time is going to be product by identity. Product by identity, again identity, this time we take values from the table 2, where identity equals identity, again fetch 1. So that's all done.